All right, guys, it's fighting us. It's hot out here. Well, we got the corners. All right, we're gonna leave Taxi sitting there warming up a little bit. It ain't ran in a little while. So I'm gonna let a little bit of the juices, some of the fluids run through it a little bit, get the battery charged real well. As you've seen, I had to tap on the solenoid a little bit with the hammer. The connection right there was a little bit corroded. We're gonna take a look at this crate and see what we're gonna need to do to unbox it. Looks like it's got some Phillips screws. And this side right here is just plastic. So I think we're gonna go ahead and bust the cap off this thing. Go ahead and get the drills out, all of that. I went ahead and grabbed one of the ladders. I'm gonna go over there and grab the other one. Get everything set up. I want everything set up when everybody gets here so we can get a nice quick start. And hopefully beat that sun from coming up, because it's supposed to be a hot one today, guys. All right, I got all the ladders and stuff. We're gonna pull this pallet off the top. We're gonna go ahead and pop the top of this and maybe the sides and stuff like that and get it unwrapped. I'm not gonna unbox it all until I get help here, because there's a lot of glass panels in there and I want to make sure that I'm very, very careful with all of that. I'm gonna try to leave the glass panels inside the crate secure until we actually get the frame up. They got it separated, glass on one side, frame on the other, so I should be able to pop the top and go from there. All right, we got it unboxed. On one side here, got the side panels off and the top panel. This right here looks like a big box of weather stripping. And this right here looks like some weather stripping as well. So we'll go ahead and get all of this out. I see they separated the frame on one side, the glass on the other. There is some busted glass at the bottom, as you can see down there. And it looks like for the most part they put some little tabs on there to separate it. But it looks like these front pieces right here, which is probably what broke, only has paper, thin paper in between them. And I believe that that's probably what ended up breaking, because I see glass on both sides. Not good. I have been in contact with the CEO. He will be replacing whatever panels are busted. I'm just hoping it's none that's crucial to actually getting the building up. I'll be sending pictures and stuff to him so he can get with his team to see if there's a way to alleviate possible future problems. But that's a lot of glass. All right, I'm gonna get the weather stripping out, stuff like that, get it set onto the slab. I'm gonna wait until everybody gets here so we can kind of shake this out and get an idea of where we're going and come up with a game plan. Found another bag of hardware. That is a lot of little nuts and bolts. More hardware. Okay, change of plans. I'm gonna go ahead and shake this stuff out and see if I can find some instructions. That way I can start kind of getting an idea of how this thing goes. It's a lot of pieces. Glad I called in help.
Off-grid life for me. I chose to live where you can't see. It's the only life you see for a good old boy like me. Hunting, fishing, living off the land. I'm just a simple off-grid man. Raising chickens, raising cane. Where I'm at ain't got no name. Got an old car and an old trailer, but it's paid for and I ain't paying rent. Where I'm at ain't got no name. Hunting, hunting.
All right, guys, the crew has arrived. We got the instructions downloaded and on the iPad so we can zoom in and see some things. We're over here shaking out right now trying to... Whoa! It's getting dangerous out here, guys. As you can see, we're starting to shake it out to get the bottom frame done. And we're gonna piece our way through there. There's a lot of nuts and drivers and stuff. Mel just ran up the east to get some nut drivers for our drills because it's not Phillips. It is actually nuts and bolts. So yeah, we need some nut drivers because a ratchet with all those will take 3.5 days. All right, guys, I'm gonna set y'all up. We're gonna get this shook out and we'll be back.
Get your ass up and out of this bed. Get a little mud on your truck tire tread. Roll through the city with the radio loud. We got no time for messing around. It's life off grid on Come On Mountain. 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 You get a little closer, girl, it's alright. You're not in the city, we ain't gotta fight. Life off grid is a little bit wild and free. It's life off grid on Come On Mountain. Life off grid on Come On Mountain. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa.
All right, guys, we finally figured out the big bed frame. It's been interesting.
Yeah, a little bit.
Is that the word we're using?
Yeah, interesting.
Yeah.
So apparently you have some little metal flat rods I'll show you in a minute, and then some little Allen screws that go in there, and that's how you mount all of this together. And it took a minute for me to find it on the instructions. This right here is the thing, and it slides into the groove like so, but it won't do that, and it slides down there. Has some threaded bolts in there. Yeah, it took a minute for us to figure out. So it's good times.
I have
Dominoes out there.
I
think they're all centered.
Coming up.
All right, so now we need to find the C's.
The C's.
The C's. in a process. So we thought we was gonna be slick and just drive those down. Well, we're on a mountain. We're on a mountain and there's a lot of rock.
Oh, we're as muddy as we're gonna get. We're literally talking like splitting hairs.
Yeah, Mel's over there splitting hairs, happy as a
Hairs
hair
and
in the
biscuits.
biscuits and stuff.
Only the hairs and the biscuits.
So
Those are the
now
only
we
ones
still
that
got to
get
level it. We got it square. And then maybe we can start putting on some walls. It's hot out here. It's hot out
split. I
here.
gotta find-
Where the wild things run. Come on out and show me your ways. Teach me to live through your untamed days. Off the grid and into the sky. David's got a dream. He's learning to fly. Nights get cold, but the fire burns bright. He's got his soul to keep him alive. No city noise, no blaring horn, just the quiet hum of a life reborn. Come on out and show me your way. Teach me to live through your untamed days. Off the grid and into the sky. David's got a dream. He's learning to fly.
All right, guys, it's fighting us. It's hot out here. Well, we got the corners. Yeah, that was interesting, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was, what in the world?
Yeah.
Keynote, when you get this, if anybody gets one, don't tighten all the nuts just yet.
Yeah. Yeah, because you're going to have to fidget it with it. All right, guys, we're going to take a little lunch break and water break because, ooh, it's hot. What's happening out here. All right, guys, lunch break is over. Ooh, we're whooped. And we still got a whole lot of pieces to put up. But we're going to make it happen. We're going to make it happen. Trying to do this in shifts. That way everybody can kind of stay as cool as possible. We're going to try to get the rest of the intermediate post in place. And that way we can start putting the top beams in.
Mountain is the life for me. I left the city to be wild and free, chasing that off-grid life, looking for my pioneer wife. Hunting and fishing, living off the land, doing the best I can, working from daylight till dark, just a homestead boy, living on the mountain in a pioneer dream. Hunting and fishing, living off the land, doing the best I can, working from daylight till dark, just a homestead boy, living on the mountain in a pioneer dream. Hunting and fishing, living off the land, doing the best I can, living that pioneer dream, the simple life for me. Hunting, fishing, living off the land, doing the best I can.
Get his chocolate and give him sugar on the ladder. No, already. I'm gonna set that thing. You don't have to? Alright. Bottoms on all of them, right? No, the bottom of it. It's up like that much. This one.
That one's flush.
Yeah, this one's tight. That one is 2 inches.
Now you're there. And then, oh. And then undo this top nut.
Yep.
And let that part drop in.
Yep.
We're going in the middle. No, I got you. All right, guys, it's hot out here. We're all getting a little delusional. Gary forgot where his ladder was, so he went over there and literally deboed Mike's. Gary looked at him and says, "My ladder, what? What? Ah, this has been one heck of a project. It ain't looking like we're gonna finish in one day for sure." So basically, we're missing some brackets. Y'all know I tell y'all the good, the bad, the ugly. So I'm gonna have to contact yourgreenhouse.com and be like, hey, looky here. We got 8 brackets missing. We're going ahead and putting 4 bolts in the little slots right here the way it is. And because we're gonna have to put a bracket right there. Gary was putting some nuts and stuff down there, but then he decided he wanted Mike's ladder, and he quit the lower stuff and just said, I need to get high. I need to get high.
He was jealous I was getting high by myself up here, and he came up here to get high with me.
Yeah.
You know me and Gary work good in the air.
Oh yeah. All right, guys, I gotta keep y'all close. Y'all like my... Oh, I done worked my butt off so bad today, guys. I lost 4-wheel drive. Look at there. Broken axle. I only got 1 flapper now. One flapper. I'll be like a duck. I'm gonna be going in a circle. You got the right amount down here. All right. Nice.
Wrong man. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Damn, that scared the hell out of me.
Damn, my cat-like reflexes. Here, let me get one more.
Well, it wasn't really, because it fell, and then you just picked it up.
No, I caught it before it fell.
That it bounced.
No, I didn't bounce. That would have went all the way down. I dropped
Now,
it.
if you would have caught it before it bounced.
Now listen.
I would have gave you that.
I'm willing to bet if I drop this, it's gonna fall all the way out.
All right, guys, it's been one long day with the greenhouse, but we definitely made some progress. About the only thing that we got left before we start working on glass pieces is got to measure these little braces that I got out and then put some glass in. But I am missing some pieces. I'm gonna have to make a phone call tonight and see, because these little pieces right here, I'm missing 2 of them because I'm supposed to have 1 more brace over here. So I have to deal with that as well, and a couple other things here and there. But we made some progress. It's been a long day, guys. It's been a 2-day vlog right here between getting it and building it. Gary, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Mike, thank you. Thank you. Lisa. Mel. Danielle. All right, guys. Well, I think that's going to be about it. I have nothing else in me. I'm out. I sweated it all out. That heat was kicking like Van Damme today, guys. Like, it kicked my butt.
My
His
butt.
He don't even have a butt left. It took his whole butt. Kicked her butt.
Y'all couldn't have done it without me, man. I swear. Today I was putting it in.
Hey, we had some good wind gusts today, and that cardboard didn't go nowhere.
Nowhere.
Nowhere. I don't even think it flickered. I don't even think it flickered.
Down, bro.
Lissa kept us alive with water. She kept us hydrated. She was like, here, drink this, don't die.
Don't die.
Yeah.
Don't die. Well, Domino did nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Yet again.
The clip smells like booyah. It's trying to rub up on everybody. She went out last night. It got nasty. Till we see each other again. Come on. Let's go on another adventure.